Raksha Bandhan quiz. Raksha Bandhan is primarily a festival celebrating the bond between whom? Answer B, brother and sister. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on which Hindu lunar day? Answer D, Shravana Purnima. What is the main ritual performed by sisters on Raksha Bandhan? Answer C, tying a rakhi on their brother's wrist. What does a brother traditionally promise after receiving a rakhi? Answer A, to protect and support his sister. Which ancient text links King Bali and goddess Lakshmi with Raksha Bandhan? Answer D, Bhagavata Purana. Who is believed to have sent a rakhi to Emperor Humayun? Answer B, Rani Karnavati. Raksha Bandhan is also popularly called by which name? Answer C, Rakhi Purnima. In which region is Raksha Bandhan also celebrated as Kajri Purnima? Answer D, Central India. Which festival do many Brahmins celebrate on Raksha Bandhan? Answer A, Upakarma. In Maharashtra, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated along with which festival? Answer C, Narari Purnima. Which type of thread is traditionally used for making a rakhi? Answer B, silk thread. Who used Raksha Bandhan during the 1905 Bengal partition? Answer D, Rabindranath Tagore. According to the Mahabharata, whose injured finger did Draupadi bandage? Answer A, Lord Krishna. Which country celebrates Janai Purnima, similar to Raksha Bandhan traditions? Answer C. Nepal. Raksha Bandhan promotes which important value in Indian culture? Answer B. Brotherhood and family bonds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment.